11th class computer science, chapter 1, complete detailed notes. Basics of information technology, IT, for board exams, GCUF, PPSC, NTS MDCAT, and other competitive tests 2026. Number 1. Introduction to Information Technology. Information technology, IT, refers to the use of computers, software, communication networks, and electronic systems to collect, process, store, retrieve, and transmit information. Simple definition, open quote. Information technology is the technology used to manage and process information through computers and digital devices, close quote. Importance of IT, improves communication, saves time and effort, increases, helps in education. Payroll systems, agriculture, weather forecasting, precision farming, entertainment, gaming. And information. Data consists of raw facts and figures that have not yet been processed. Examples: 25, Ali 98, 1506-2026. Information is processed and organized data that has meaning and is useful for decision making. Example: Ali scored 98 marks in computer science. Difference between data and information. Data, information, raw facts, processed facts, unorganized, organized, may not have meaning. Meaningful, input to a system, output after processing. Number 3. Information processing cycle. The information processing cycle includes 1. Input, 2. Processing, 3. Output, 4. Storage. Example: student enters marks, input, computer calculates percentage, processing, result is displayed, output, record is saved, storage. Number 4. Computer system. A computer is an electronic machine that accepts data, processes it according to instructions, stores it, and produces useful information. Characteristics: high speed, accuracy, intelligence, versatility. Limitations: no intelligence of its own, depends on instructions, cannot think or make independent decisions, requires electricity and proper hardware. Number 5. Components of a computer system. A computer system consists of hardware, software, data, users, peopleware, procedures. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that can be seen and touched. Examples: CPU, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, scanner, hard disk, speakers. Categories of hardware: input devices, output devices, storage devices, processing devices, communication devices. Software is a collection of programs and instructions that tells the computer what to do. Types of software. A. System software controls hardware and provides a platform for applications. Examples: operating systems, device drivers, utility programs. And B. Application software designed to perform user-specific tasks. Examples: MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, web browsers, media players. Number 8. Input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and instructions into a computer. Keyboard used for typing text and numbers. Mouse used to point, click, drag and select. Scanner converts paper documents into digital form. Microphone inputs sound into the computer. Webcam captures images and videos. Barcode reader reads printed barcodes. Joystick used mainly in games and simulations. Light pen used to draw or select directly on compatible screens. Touch screen accepts input through touch. Number 9. Output devices. Output devices display processed information. Monitor displays text, graphics, and videos. Printer produces hard copies on paper. Types: inkjet, laser, dot matrix. Speakers produce sound output. Projector displays content on a large screen. Plotter prints large engineering drawings and maps. 10. Storage devices. Storage devices save data permanently or temporarily. Primary storage: RAM, ROM, cache memory. RAM, temporary memory, volatile, stores running programs. ROM, permanent memory, non-volatile, stores startup instructions. Secondary storage: hard disk drive, HDD, solid state drive, SSD, USB flash drive, CD, DVD, memory card. Number 11, units of data storage. 1 bit equals smallest unit, 8 bits equals 1 byte, 1024 bytes equals 1 kilobyte KB, 1024 KB equals 1 megabyte MB, 1024 megabytes equal 1 gigabyte, 1024 is 1 terabyte, 1024 tbytes equal 1 petabyte PB. Number 12, central processing unit, CPU. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. Components. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU, performs arithmetic and logical operations. Control UU controls all computer operations. Registers store temporary data for quick processing. Number 13, memory. Memory stores data and instructions. Volatile memory loses data when power is off. RAM, non-volatile memory, retains data without power. ROM, SSD, HDD. Number 14, communication devices enable data transfer between computers. Examples, modem, Wi-Fi adapter, network interface card link, router, Bluetooth adapter. Number 15, information and communication technology, ICT. ICT combines information technology with communication systems, applications, video conferencing, distance learning, telemedicine, e-commerce, cloud computing, social media. Number 16, advantages of IT, fast communication, global connectivity, easy data storage, increased productivity, better education, improved healthcare, business automation, digital services. Disadvantages of IT, cybercrime, privacy concerns, data theft, computer viruses, unemployment in some sectors, screen addiction, misinformation. Number 18, computer ethics. Users should respect copyright laws, avoid software piracy, protect personal data, avoid hacking, use licensed software, follow acceptable online behavior. Number 19, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity protects computers and networks from attacks. Threats include viruses, worms, trojans, phishing, ransomware, spyware, protection methods, strong passwords, antivirus software, firewalls, software updates, regular backups, two-factor authentication, system development lifecycle, SDLC. SDLC is a structured process for developing software systems. Phases 1, planning. 2, requirement analysis. 3, system design. 4, development, coding, testing. 6, implementation. 7, maintenance, benefits, better project management, reduced errors, improved quality, lower costs, easier maintenance. Number 21, frequently asked competitive exam MCQs. 1, the smallest unit of data is bit. 2, 8 bits make 1 byte. 3, RAM is volatile memory. 4, ROM is non-volatile memory. 5, the brain of the computer is the CPU. 6, ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations. 7, CU controls all operations of the computer. 8, a printer is an output device. 9, a scanner is an input device. 10, MS Word is application software. Then Windows is system software operating system. 12, SSD is a secondary storage device. 13, plotters are used for large technical drawings. 14, ICT stands for information and communication technology. 15, phishing is a type of cyber attack. Number 22, important short question, define information technology. 2, define data and information. 3, differentiate between hardware and software. 4, what is system software? 5, what is application software? 6, what are input devices? 7, what are output devices? 8, define RAM and ROM. What is CPU? 10, explain ALU and CU. 11, what is ICT? 12, define cybersecurity. 13, what is SDLC? 14, name the phases of SDLC. 15, list 4 applications of IT. Number 23, important long questions. 1, explain information technology and discuss its importance and applications. 2, describe the components of a computer system. 3, differentiate between hardware and software with examples. 4, explain different input and output devices in detail. 5, discuss primary and secondary storage devices. 6, explain CPU and its internal components. 7, describe memory and cycle SDLC with all phases and advantages. Number 24, quick revision. IT use of computers and communication technologies to manage information. Data equals raw facts. Information equal processed data. Computer cycles, input, processing, output, storage. Hardware equal physical parts. Software equal programs. CPU, ALU+CU+Registers. RAM equals volatile. ROM equals non-volatile. 8 bits equal 24 bytes equal 1 KB. SDLC, planning, analysis, design, development, testing, implementation, maintenance. Cybersecurity protects systems from digital threats. If you want, I can also provide 50 solved MCQs, 20 short questions within 50 solved MCQs, 10 low, 20 short questions with answers, irons SP10 long questions with complete solutions, F, GCUF, PPSC, NTS, and other entry tests. Eleventh class Computer Science, Chapter 1, Short Questions with Solutions, Basics of Information Technology, Board UAF, GCUF, PPSC, NTS MCAT Competitive Preparation. 1. Define information technology, IT. Answer. Information technology is the use of computers and communication systems to collect, process, store, and transmit information. 2. What is data? Answer. Data is raw facts and figures that have no meaning in unprocessed form. 3. What is information? Eleventh class Computer Science, Chapter 1. One-line exam revision notes, super quick revision. IT, use of computers to process and manage information. Process data with meaning. Computer system, input, process, output, storage machine. Hardware, physical parts of computer. Software, programs that run computer hardware. System software, controls computer operations, OS drivers. Application software used for user tasks, MS Word, Excel. Input devices enter data into computer. Output devices show processed results. CPU, brain of computer. ALU performs calculations and logic. CU controls all computer operations. Registers, temporary high-speed storage. RAM, temporary volatile memory. ROM, permanent non-volatile memory. Primary memory, RAM-FROM. Secondary memory, HDD, SSD, USB. Bits, smallest unit of data, byte, 8 bits. 1K by 124 bytes. ICT, IT communication technologies. SDLC, step-by-step software development process. SDLC steps, planning, analysis, design, coding, testing, deployment, maintenance. Cybersecurity, protection from digital attacks. Virus, harmful program that damages system. Phishing, fake attempts to steal data. ICT uses, education, banking, healthcare, business. Scanner, input device for documents. Printer, output device for hard copy. Monitor, visual output device. Modem, device for internet connection. Router, distributes network internet. Software type, system plus application. Computer ethics, proper use of technology and data. Automation, automatic working of machines. Storage devices store data permanently or temporarily. If you want, I can next give you most important 5th competitive exams repeated questions or Chapter 1 full test paper with answers, UAF, GCUF level.